Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. Today I'm going to be taking you around this Toyota RAV4. This Toyota RAV4 is finished in silver and is powered by a 2.5 VVT petrol hybrid engine with an automatic transmission. On this model, the boot can be remotely accessed, where you'll find plenty of space to provide for your daily needs. Of course, the space can be extended with the rear seats down. It sits beautifully on 19-inch multi-spoke designed alloy wheels, as well as LED daytime running headlights, providing great visibility no matter what the weather condition. Into the back, and the passengers are provided with full leather seats, headrests, as well as isofix for convenience. Into the front, and the driver is presented with a leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel, as well as full electric leather seats with memory capabilities. The multi-function steering wheel provides access to voice command, volume control, hands-free, cruise control, speed limiter, as well as lane assist. The fully digital instrument display provides access to vital driving data, which can be controlled using the multi-function steering wheel. In the centre, coloured touchscreen display gives access to inbuilt satellite navigation, helping you get around with those unfamiliar places. Bluetooth multimedia radio is also provided, ensuring you stay connected at all times. A rear camera making parking a breeze in the tightest of spaces. Just below is a control to the dual climate control, where the driver and the passenger can adjust the temperature to their liking. Heated seats are also provided, ensuring you stay at the right temperature in the hotter months. Into the centre console, USB connection, the gear selector, electronic handbrake, 2 cup holders, and a leather armrest is also provided. Thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video. For further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.